Hi, this is the Java core learning course by example, and today is the day 22. I will guide you how to reverse a string in Java. Okay, so in this demonstration, I will allow the user to enter any string from the keyboard, and after that, I will reverse that string. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open Eclipse, and here, and I will create a new class. I will name it reverse string and main method. Okay, import library. Okay, here I will create a new scanner. Let's see. Okay, after that I will create some string, variable string input string. Reverse string. Okay. I will be using the string buffer. Each will be the SB. Input string. Okay, here I will have the reverse string equal SB those reverse. Okay, here delete this. Okay, so here let me try to run the application. My name Chien and I enter my name. So here it will revert my name is okay, cool. NEISC. Okay, run it again. Hello one. Okay, cool. One more time. Love Java. Okay, cool. So here I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know how to do the reverse a string in Java. Okay, so here we are using the scanner and string buffer to do this work. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.